In the dim recesses of prehistory, before the rise of civilizations and the written word, lived a remarkable species known as Homo Heidelbergensis. These early humans, who walked the earth between 600 and 200,000 years ago, left behind only faint echoes of their existence in the form of fossils and ancient artifacts. Their story is a testament to the tenacity and adaptability of our ancestors. Homo Heidelbergensis, named after the town of Mauer, near Heidelberg in Germany, where their first remains were discovered in 1907, represented a crucial turning point in the journey of human evolution. With their robust anatomy and larger brain size, they bridged the gap between their predecessors. The precise ancestry of Homo Heidelbergensis is a subject of ongoing research and debates. It is thought to have evolved from earlier hominin species, possibly Homo erectus or a closely related species. This transition would have involved genetic, anatomical, and behavioral changes over time, and Homo Heidelbergensis is believed to be a common ancestor, or closely related to two distinct lineages, Neanderthals and modern humans Homo sapiens. In Europe and Western Asia, Homo Heidelbergensis appears to have given rise to the Neanderthals, while in Africa, Homo Heidelbergensis is thought to have contributed to the ancestry of anatomically modern humans. With the emergence of our species occurring in Africa, and eventually leading to the spread of Homo sapiens around the world, it's important to note that the relationships and transitions between hominin and species are complex, and the fossil record is not always complete. The details of the evolutionary path, from Homo Heidelbergensis to Neanderthals and modern humans, are still subjects of ongoing research and investigation. Homo Heidelbergensis is believed to have lived in several regions across the Old World, spanning a wide geographic range. Their distribution included parts of Europe, Africa, and possibly Asia. Homo Heidelbergensis' wide geographic range underscores their adaptability to various environments. They were capable of thriving in different climates, from the temperate regions of Europe to the diverse landscapes of Africa. Their ability to inhabit such diverse areas and adapt to changing conditions is a testament to their evolutionary success. The diet of Homo Heidelbergensis would vary depending on their geographic location and the availability of resources. Is believed to have been proficient hunters of large game. They would have used tools such as spears to hunt and butcher animals. The consumption of meat provided a rich source of protein and energy. Fossils and archaeological evidence, such as animal bones with butchery marks, support the idea that they were skilled in hunting. In addition to meat, their diet included plant foods, seafood, and even insects. Their diet would have been influenced by factors such as climate, season, and regional resources. Homo Heidelbergensis displayed a more advanced level of technology compared to earlier hominin species. Their technological innovations and tool use marked an important step in the evolution of human technology. Homo Heidelbergensis is associated with the Acheulean tool industry, characterized by the production of bifacial and large cutting tools. These tools were crafted from flint, chert, and other hard rocks. Hand axes, in particular, are a hallmark of the Acheulean industry and were versatile tools used for cutting, butchering, and possibly for other purposes. Heidelbergensis had the ability to control and use fire. Fire would have served multiple purposes, including cooking food, providing warmth, and offering protection from predators. As proficient hunters of large game, Homo Heidelbergensis likely used wooden spears for hunting. The use of spears for hunting would have increased their success in capturing large animals. While evidence of shelters from this time is scarce, it is believed that Homo Heidelbergensis constructed simple shelters or used natural formations for protection against the elements. It's possible that these early humans used wooden logs or other materials for basic transportation, such as moving heavy objects or constructing rafts for river crossings. Their ability to hunt in groups and cooperate in activities suggests some level of social organization. They might have shared food and resources within their communities. In some regions where they lived, Homo heidelbergensis may have coexisted with other hominin species, such as Homo erectus or archaic Homo sapiens. Interactions with these other species, including competition for resources or potential interbreeding, are subjects of interest and research. One of the best preserved and most significant finds of Homo heidelbergensis is the collection of fossils and artifacts from the Cima de los Huesos site in the Atapuerca Mountains of Spain. Cima de los Huesos is an underground chamber within the larger Atapuerca cave system, and it has provided a wealth of Homo heidelbergensis remains. This site is considered one of the most important for the study of this species. The Cima de los Huesos site has yielded over 7,000 fossilized bone fragments, including skulls, jawbones, and postcranial skeletal elements. These remains are believed to belong to at least 28 individuals. Some of the most remarkable findings are nearly complete or well-preserved skulls. The skulls from Cima de los Huesos provide valuable insights into the anatomy and characteristics of Homo heidelbergensis. The fossils have been dated to approximately 430,000 years ago, making them among the oldest and best preserved Homo heidelbergensis remains. In addition to the fossils, the site also contains stone tools and evidence of fire use. This context is critical for understanding the behavior and lifestyle of these early humans. The exceptional preservation of the Homo heidelbergensis fossils at the Cima de los Huesos site has allowed scientists to study their anatomy, genetics, and way of life in greater detail. It offers valuable insights into the morphology and evolutionary significance of this species. The survival of Homo heidelbergensis was dependent on the cooperation of their social groups. Hunting large game necessitated teamwork, clear communication, and strategic planning. While the specifics of their social structure remain elusive, it is evident that they possess the basic elements of a cohesive and organized society. These early humans likely shared their food, stories, and experiences around campfires, marking the early glimmers of social interaction. The ultimate fate of Homo heidelbergensis remains shrouded in mystery. As time marched on, they underwent transformation, giving rise to Neanderthals in Europe and the emergence of Homo sapiens in Africa. The precise reasons for this transition, including environmental changes, competition with other species, and the development of new adaptations, continue to be subjects of speculation and research. Homo heidelbergensis may not have left behind tales of individual experiences, but in their fossils, tools, and archaeological sites, we glimpse a species that persevered and paved the way for the future of humanity. Their legacy endures in the genetic heritage we share, in the warmth of the campfire, and in the human capacity to adapt, innovate, and evolve. As we peer into the deep recesses of time, we are reminded that Homo heidelbergensis, much like their successors, were pioneers in the grand narrative of human evolution. Their contributions to our shared history echo through the ages, a testament to the resilience, resourcefulness, and adaptability that define the human spirit.